Welcome fans to another unboxing of the Hot Wheels Monster Jam series. And in this mini-series of number 6 of 6 in the Flashback series, we get a 2018 new look of the Carolina Crusher. Incredible! It has Blue Thunder in the Flashback, Cletus in the Clear Crushers, Monster Mutt, Rottweiler in the MJ Dog Pound, Devastator in the Mud, Zombie and Creatures, and El Toro Loco in Chromo Frost. So let's go ahead and unbox this flashback of the Carolina Crusher. I got this truck off of eBay. Where else, huh? That's far and few from where I live to be able to get some of these vehicles. And so here it comes anyways, the old school look of the Carolina Crusher. Look at that, boy, a different color altogether. Of course, we have the Hot Wheels logo, Monster Jam logo. Look at that, we have a little Carolina Crusher jumping. That's really cool. Look at that Carolina Crusher. Let me get this out of the way. The recrushable car was underneath him. There's Carolina Crusher. A Hot Wheels. Look at this tool design of Carolina Crusher. A little design there on the hood. Bring it around to the other side. Flashback, Carolina Crusher. Awesome. Nothing on the tailgate. So I like the gray wheels. They did a really cool job with this one. Flashback of Carolina Crusher. I didn't really know too much about why they put the red roll cage and chassis on this truck, but as I go back in time here, well, this one came out earlier this year, and you see the red, so they just stayed with the red design of the chassis and roll cage. And this was a new tool for Carolina Crusher. And the other one of Carolina Crusher, the first one came out, was with the Battle Slammer edition. And so you can see the difference in the front. I have this on another video anyways. Don't want to really take too much time with that. But so this one was back in 2015 when this one came out. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that like button.